Hi, these are the steps to the good morning. This is a back, glute, and hamstring strengthening exercise. I want you to get into the stance of hip width apart with your feet, rooting into the floor. Knees are over the ankles in line with the toes. And you want to have this weight. You're going to get a single dumbbell for this one and have the weight right underneath your chin, and you're going to lock in your shoulders into a neutral position, feeling that tightening of the muscle under your armpit. Like the shoulder blade against the chest wall is what it should feel like. So from this position, you're going to inhale down and exhale up, keeping the ribs right over the hips, inhaling through the belly, 360. As you come down, and then exhale all the way back up, squeezing through the glutes, feeling stable in the core and that lock underneath your armpits. Inhale down, exhale up. Hips coming right underneath the ribs. Inhale down, rooting into the floor. Exhale up. You should feel like the glutes stretching out to the side as well as to the back of the room. Back up. That is the good morning. Let me know what you think.